Lumens, your reliable partner.
Here's a user guide for the Lumens Deployment Tool 2.0. We will introduce the software and give you an overview of the interface. This video is divided into 4 parts. Step 1. What you need. You will need a computer, Deployment Tool 2.0 software, a Lumens LC series product, one or more Lumens IP or NDI cameras. Go to our website and click Download page, then type in Deployment Tool 2.0 in search bar. Download the installation file. Follow the on-screen installation instructions, then you're ready to get started. Step 2. Login and create account. Open the software. The first time you log in Deployment Tool 2.0, please type in the default password. You will then be directed to the register page. Here you can create your account. Complete these few simple steps and click register. You will be returned to the login page. Now use your new account details to log in. Step 3. Interface. Now you're logged on, you will see the navigation bar on the left-hand side. Let's look at the basic function of these tools. Step 4. Tools. The Discovery tab is where you can search for media devices on your local network, such as IP and NDI cameras. You can also set your preset IP address. You can search a range of IP addresses or specify the address of a single device you would like to use. Click Add to include each device as a preset on the list. The devices will display on the Device tab once they have been discovered. And you can see the status of each device, its IP address, and firmware version. Manage the functions of each device by clicking on the Control drop-down menu. You can instruct each device to wake up, enable standby, or begin recording. Click the Action drop-down menu to log in or delete a device from the list. In the Group tab, create a new group of devices by clicking the plus icon. Then select the new group and click Edit to add or remove devices. Click Save to store the settings. The Real-Time tab is where you can monitor the live output from any of your devices. You can change the layout of this screen from the drop-down menu. Click Preview to begin monitoring. You can control the selected camera. Use the panel on the right-hand side to position your PTZ camera and to trigger the recording function for that device. The Schedule tab allows you to set recording and streaming by time and date. Select the group and device, then choose the time and date on the calendar. Click plus button and set record, live stream, and wake up standby actions. The device will now run automatically according to your schedule. You can also export and import schedules. In System tab, you can edit the existing accounts. You will also find Event Log, which records every instruction in Deployment Tool 2.0. The Information tab indicates the version of software you are running. Lumens technical experts are always on hand if you have any questions. If you have any questions, scan the QR code or go to Lumens website. You can reach out to Lumens technical expert anytime. For more information, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at www.mylumens.com.